What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install the THULE One-Key lock cylinder into any THULE accessory. If you have a little cover cap installed, the first thing you're going to do is remove that with a small screwdriver. Then take your THULE One-Key locking cylinder and insert the THULE change key into it. This is the square key. Next, insert it into the locking hole. Then, using your thumb, hold the lock cylinder in and pull the key out. When installed correctly, it should sit flush, and just double check that it works correctly using your regular key. Then one more time here, remove the cap. Insert the THULE square change key. Install the lock. Put your thumb down, pull out the key, and double check that it works with the standard key. And if you guys want to pick up these THULE One-Key lock cylinders, I'll leave a link in the description below. And also, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.